What do you think? What's the worst thing you can do in a house?
A table! It's broken!
Not enough windows. Imagine living on a beach or in the mountains surrounded by magnificent nature and not even being able to look at it. That's why people invented glass houses. Today, we'll show you the most amazing glass houses you've ever seen. Hold on to something, because chances are you will be blown away. Whoever designed this house must really love mathematics. It's just one perfect glass rectangular. But of course, there's more to that. Located in New York, the 10,000 square feet of space is covered from head to toe, or more like from floor to ceiling, by windows. And when we say that everything is covered in glass, we mean everything. Yes, even bathrooms. But don't worry, they say it's not see-through. The only rubberneck would be the birds sitting on a tree, at worst. The property comes with 2 master bedrooms which are as minimalistic and full of light as the rest of the house. And if the surrounding trees bore you, you can jump in the saltwater swimming pool and imagine yourself on the beach. Or you can have a movie night in your private cinema. Is this what your dreams look like? This epic house in British Columbia is literally epic. It was built in 1988, but it looks like it doesn't age, just like J-Lo. And if you thought that it was impossible, wait till you see how the Canadian architect Arthur ERICKSON matched the furniture to the exterior shape. Sitting on 1.18 acres of land, it offers perfect sanctuary from the hustle and bustle. This glass house is just another level. It is isolated, unique, and screams that you're as rich as Rockefeller. Are you a fan of Marvel? Then you're going to love this. The almost 11,000 square foot glass house is such a star that it even inspired Iron Man's mansion. And now it's home to other stars too. Alicia Keys and her husband, Kasim Dean, dreamed about this house for several years until they snapped it up for $20.8 million. According to Architectural Digest, Kasim Dean had an image of Razor House as his phone screensaver for 8 years. And now it's a reality. Do you see, kids? Never give up on your dreams. The mansion took 6 years to build, and it offers 6 bedrooms with breathtaking views of the Golden Coast. If you think that glass houses are just cubes made of glass, then you're wrong. Found in the legendary Big Sur area, this house is nothing like the rest. It was built in 1985 by the late owner and world-renowned architect Mickey Munich, who didn't just live here but studied the effectiveness of passive solar heating within the glass structure. That's one way to spend your free time. This light-filled house can now be yours for just $7 million. But no worries, you won't have to study anything. We're pretty sure you'll enjoy the indoor garden and the views of the Pacific Ocean much more. In fact, this hidden property is surrounded by famous writers and artists. So who knows? Maybe you'll find your hidden talent here. Would you like to live in a house like these glass houses? Or do you like a little more privacy?